Welcome. In front of me is a Honor X8, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications and extend the list by swiping down on it once more. From here you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is right over here. So once you find this toggle, all you really need to do is hold it, at least the first time around. And this will take you to the settings where you have the option just to customize it. Now I recommend starting off with the calls. Here you can select who can call you. So just quickly going over the options: everyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. Then below that we have messages, has the same options as calls. And then last thing here is the repeat callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass whatever you have selected under the calls. So as an example, you could have set to no one, but if they meet the standard, I'll just ignore that setting altogether. Now, right here at the top, we also have a schedule. There is one pre-made, so it looks to be working in Sunday and Saturday from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. So you can edit that one. You can create a new one if you want to. So again, just select each day of the week that you want it to run during, start and end time, click the checkbox. Once you create one, it automatically will get enabled. So if you don't want to have it enabled right away, just toggle it off. And touching upon the schedule, for everyone who's planning to use just the schedule, so it's all automated, then all you do is just toggle it on in here, and you don't need to do anything extra. But for everyone else who wants to use it just like at random times, for instance, you're going to a business meeting, then what you can do is find the toggle once more, tap on it, select enable, and it is now running, as you can see right here based on this moon icon. And when you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, you will also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely in your background. So to do so, find the toggle once again, tap on it to turn it off, and there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.